Bafana Bafana coach Hugo Broos has named his preliminary squad for South Africa's upcoming 2026 FIFA World Cup qualifiers, sparking debate with several surprise inclusions and notable omissions. The team is set to resume their Group C campaign in September with crucial home fixtures against Nigeria and Lesotho in Bloemfontein. Bros has excluded 48 players in his provisional squad, which is expected to be trimmed to 23 ahead of the matches. Amakosi duo Bradley Cross and Duduzi Shabalala and calls up, while new faces in the squad including Amazulu goalkeeper Darren Johnson, Mamelodi Sundowns defenders Zuko Mdunyelwa, TS Galaxy's Puso Titechane, Orlando Pirates Kamogale Sebelebele, Sekhukhune United's Phesihle Mkhize, and Sibwelele FC Kgape Moralo. The squad also features overseas-based players such as Mohamed Kota of Saudi Pro League side Al Atifak Siyabonga Ngezana, who plies his trade with Romans FCSP and Minnesota United forward Bongokuhle Hlongwane. One of the more controversial selections is Sundowns defender Koliso Mudau, who has yet to feature for the club this season amid contractual disputes, despite Bros previously emphasizing that non-playing players will not be considered. Midfielder stalwart Tembazwane has also been included, even though he's expected to miss approximately 2 months after sustaining an injury in Sundowns' MTN 8 semi-final first leg against Pirates. Sundowns coach Miguel Cardoso confirmed the setback, highlighting Zwane's ongoing struggles since a career-threatening Achilles injury during last season's AFCON qualifier against Congo. South Africa currently leads Group C with 13 points from 6 matches ahead of Rwanda and Benin, who both have 8 points. Nigeria sits fourth with 7 points, followed by Lesotho 6 and Zimbabwe 4. Bafana Bafana provincial squad goalkeepers Ronwen Williams, Ricardo Goss, Sipho Chain, Darren Johnson, Ronaldo Lena. Defenders Sydney Mobi, Tabo Moloisane, Kosinati Sibisi, Mbekeseli Mbokazi, Kulisa Mutau, Samukelo Kabini, Tapelo Morena, Kiken Allen, Zuko Mdunyelwa, Malibongo Khoza, Bradley Cross, Vuyo Letlapa, Dion van Dryen, Aubrey Modiba, Fawaz Basadin, Siyabonga Ngezana. Midfielders Talent Mbatha, Damulelo Maphangule, Luke Leroux, Kgape Moralo, Sipesihle Mkhize, Batuso Obas, Jaden Adams, Teboho Mokoena. Forwards Mihlali Mayambela, Lil Foster, Ikram Reyners, Devon Tatus, Oswin Napolis, Patrick Maswanganyi, Phuso Titjane, Mohau Nkotsa, Relo Mofokeng, Kamogelo Sebelebele, Ashley Cupido, Bongekuhle Hlongwane, Evidence Mahupa, Mduduzi Shabalala. As South Africa gears up for a critical stretch in their World Cup qualifying campaign, Bros selections reflect a mix of experienced campaigners and exciting new talent, setting the stage for a challenging but promising September. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.